Hi all, welcome back to my channel Techie Minds. I'm here today to discuss more about GATE examinations. So Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering 2021 forms are released. Before going to the details of what are the dates and important dates that you have to follow, I would go ahead with understanding why GATE or benefits of GATE. So we all have a misconception that admissions is the only thing. Securing admission for post-graduation in one of the IITs or NITs is the only advantage that students look forward to. But in addition to that, there are many things that I would want to emphasize today, and I would urge all of you that you have to appear for GATE examination with a lot of preparation. So ME, MTech, MS, PhD, any of these courses could be pursued with a valid GATE score. So getting admission into IITs or NITs would be possible if you have a valid GATE score, a good GATE score, you could target a better college. MBA is also possible. So NITI Mumbai gives you an admission for MBA with a valid GATE score. In addition to this, fellowship programs. So FPMs, which are nothing but fellowship programs in managements, are possible in various IIMs. Again, a good GATE score is going to help you get these admissions. BARC or CSIR are the organizations who give you senior or junior fellowship program, and here you would get stipend for each of this course. So for ME or MTech, your stipend would be somewhere around 12,400. For PhD or fellowship programs, it would be somewhere around 20K to 30K. So how about securing admission in good colleges and do these courses along with your stipend? So that is one advantage that I would want to focus. Next, I would want to emphasize on jobs in PSU. So PSUs, where there is central government or state government stake, so there are various companies, almost 50 companies like Power Grid, like ONGC, like GAIL, SAIL, or you have BAIL, or you have in fact BPCL, all this come under PSU. So these are all PSU companies. Since it is a government company or the stake of government is more, they are going to give you stability. In addition to that, or security is what I would say, and there are going to be a lot of perks. So getting a job here after your valid GATE score. So if you have a valid GATE score, this would declare, the companies here would come forward with certain additional criteria. You could apply to one of these companies and secure a good job. ISRO or DRDO, targeting ISRO or DRDO also would be possible because the exams which ISRO or DRDO conduct are on the same lines like GATE. So GATE is basically testing your core competency. So whatever branch you are pursuing your engineering, the core competency would be checked. Now this is not only meant for engineering students, other science graduates, and there are a lot of other streams who allow you to appear for GATE examination. So there are almost 27 papers that are declared for GATE examination 2021. My focus today is more for engineering students. So having a good score, that is you have to be in the top 100 or top 500 to secure a job in PSU. Does this sound difficult? Yes, it is, but hard work is going to pay. So if you start preparing for GATE, which most students do not, because the result is around 15% of students get a valid score, and this valid score is between 25 to 30 only. So out of 100, getting a 25 to 30 score is getting a valid score, which varies every year. But for any of the PSUs, you need to be in top 500. In addition to this, core companies. So there might be few core companies which do not visit your campus, but it is possible to directly apply to these core companies with a valid GATE score. Central sector companies, where you can be appointed as a grade A gazetted officer directly with a GATE score. So having a valid GATE score is going to matter. So you're opening up so many options. So think about appearing for GATE 2021. In addition to this, your weightage for recruitment in your companies which visit your campus is going to be higher. That is, your selection would be having a higher weightage because your resume is going to reflect that you have a valid GATE score. So that itself proves that you're technically sound, you have enough knowledge or thorough knowledge of the subjects which are core subjects of your branch. Admission abroad is also possible. So securing admission for an MS course either in Germany or Singapore is possible. Again, these universities are going to give you a stipend. What you need is a valid GATE score, a statement of purpose, and a letter mentioning that the course that you have pursued as a bachelor's course was in English. So you do not have to give any additional test which is going to prove your language competency. So English language testing additionally is not required. So that is the advantage of appearing for a GATE examination. So seeing all these advantages, you need to prepare well. What I have seen in my teaching career, students just fill the form because rest of them are filling the form, go appear for the test or GATE examination without even preparing for it. So what are the subjects? The subjects are the core subjects that you have been studying from your second year onwards. So simply a little focus is going to help you be there. So with all these advantages, I'm sure most of you would like to appear for the GATE examination because you might get in somewhere or the other with certain little amount of hard work. So regarding the 2021 examinations, the exam date is 5th to 7th of Feb 2021 and 12th to 14th of Feb 2021. The last date for filling the forms is 7th of October. So it has already started from 14th of September. The date has been extended to 7th of October without late fees and 12th of October with late fees. You could download this brochure from the official website of IIT Mumbai because that is the organization who is conducting this examination this year. And so gate.iitb.ac.in is the official website where you would download the brochure from. The same website I would give it in my description box below. So please check in my description box regarding the website where you could get the details regarding syllabus, important dates and many other things. So keep watching Techie Minds for more such videos. If you have any doubts regarding any of these aspects that I have covered today, you could always write in the comment box. Do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Techie Minds. Thank you.